Keeping track of your revenue can be a daunting task. That's where Docket comes in. Our automated system simplifies revenue reconciliation from your revenue system all the way to the bank, saving you valuable time and resources. With Docket, you have access to a comprehensive overview of your revenue generated from various payment processors, including outstanding amounts that are yet to be deposited. Our system breaks down your total earnings by cash, check, and merchant credit card processors, making monitoring your accounts receivable easy at the start of any period. Docket's daily revenue flash report provides real-time updates on your revenue, so you're on top of your business health. It helps you make better decisions and improves cash flow management. If you're a multi-location business owner, Docket gives you a view of your daily revenue across all your entities to help you make informed decisions. Here's how Docket works. Docket seamlessly integrates with your bank accounts and business management system. Docket easily pulls deposits from your bank and daily revenue and metrics from your business management system. Docket will sync revenue data with your accounting system. Docket collects revenue data and reconciles into general ledger, saving you from costly errors. You'll be able to track your daily revenue, changes in revenue, outstanding receivables, and industry-based revenue metrics, allowing you to track every penny and receive all of your income. Sign up for Docket today and experience the peace of mind that comes with having complete visibility of your revenue streams.